Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to show you how to delete a folder that is not located in its original location. I have no folder like this, so suppose this is the folder, new folder. This is the folder that is not located in its original location. Now you cannot delete the file in the sophisticated way that we are used to do delete. So how can we delete the file? You will need a WinRar to do so. First of all, right click on it, then add to archive, then tick mark to delete file after archiving. Then you can choose either zip or RAR, whatever you want, and press OK. Then see the folder is deleted, but a new folder is created as a RAR file. Okay, now you can delete these in the sophisticated way that we are used to do. So thank you for watching the video. Hope you have enjoyed it. Thank you so much.
Yeah.